situations and bring a change that can stop the enemy in his tracks and send us through victoriously. Are we ready to understand that for powers to be broken, you need to realize the limits of the devil? The devil have a limit. Every time God speaks a word, he speaks a word that limits how far the devil can go with his people. We are the sheep of his pastures. We must come into his courts with praise, be thankful unto him, and bless his name. When we say something, God authorizes us to lock and to open. He said, whatever we loose on earth is loose in heaven. Whatever we bind on earth is bound in heaven. Are you ready to take your rightful position in God? If we have our rightful position, there are certain things we cannot do.